militants in the valley haiba wafam se masi atasi kari no habise pressing is not to yo Manipur na ngasi thoiba valley da leiriba Manipur ngana ba honariba Manipur ki satam kaidana ba honariba khun ngakpa sing asigi mathakta ojabi monangarang on the floor of the parliament of the house ka tham khibutuna takudi khun ngakpa sing je ma ki yetna bani haida hamin thoi yamna lego thiba mana ngarang ke dugumba record ta parliament da India pumba world pumba na khangba adugumba president gi adugumba motion of things ta ojabi monangarang valley da laloba mayam leire khulai pai sino wai sare na hai kibodo.
Many observers have pointed out many of these cookie armed groups under the SU, they have been propped up by Indian security forces, and unfortunately on media you see BJP entering into an understanding with them for them to get help to win elections. Now they are playing havoc. They are running wild. Similarly, in the valley areas, there are armed groups which is reportedly nurtured by political leadership from your party. And this is where you wanted to keep silent. You don't want the rest of the country to know about this. And insist as if, like the Britishers had done, Hindus and Muslim conflict in India is a product of a colonial process.